Miranda.
Hello, teacher.
How are you? How's your weekend? Did you
It was
enjoy?
great.
Okay.
Yes, I watch
Watch
film.
film. Did you enjoy your weekend? How many films have you watched?
Uh, two.
Two? What is this film?
Trust. Trust.
Okay, and the other one is?
Should.
Okay, True Beauty. A series, a drama series, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Miranda. Okay, without any further ado, let's start our lesson since we didn't able um to meet last Friday. Okay, so we are now in Unit 5, Making Your Way. So we have a lot of lessons to catch up. Okay, exercise 1, look at these photos and answer these questions. Okay, Miranda, look at the pictures. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, number one, first picture is they are,
They are doing something.
what something? Maybe experimentations. They are scientists. Where are you going?
Yeah.
Okay, how about them? They
They
seems
are
like,
talk. They're talking about something
yes, it's seems like they are
in a meeting.
in a meeting, in a business meeting or corporate meeting. Okay, maybe they are managers or board of directors, something like that. Okay, how about this girl? Hmm. What do you think she's doing?
Uh, she is drawing.
She's painting. She's an
Drawing.
artist.
She's an artist. She's
Yes,
painting.
she's painting. Very good. Okay, how about him? He's holding a microphone.
Microphone. He is
Mm-hmm.
an interviewer.
Okay, or maybe he's a journalist or a reporter.
Yes.
Yes, a reporter. Okay, so Miranda, okay, look at these pictures. Look at the people who's on the picture. What skills do you think are required for each of these jobs? Okay, let's start with this, with the scientist. What do you think are the skills do you think are required to be a scientist? You should
They
have
have to be. They
skills.
have to be well in science.
Okay. I mean, skills. How about skills? Skills. What are you looking? Hmm? Something missing?
Not
Something
that
missing? Nothing?
I have to find something.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll wait you. But what are you looking at? What are you looking?
Um, for my notebook. Oh my gosh.
For your notebook?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Is it important thing? Do you need to, is it a pen? What is it? What?
My hand is ugly.
Is that a, is that an ink, Miranda, on your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I
while you are looking for something, okay, Miranda, just try to share what do you think are the skills required to be for this job, scientist.
I the important thing is they have to be they have to be well in science.
Okay, for example, Miranda, in your school, do you have a science subject?
Mm, no. What is science?
Science
I
subject.
forgot it.
You forgot? A science. A study of? Okay. This is science.
Science. Science.
Science
Science.
is a way
Always
to
another
learn
word
mhm, using
using operation, testing, and ingredients,
evidence.
evidence.
Evidence. Okay, so when we for example in your science subject you are usually in a laboratory, right?
I
For example, main branch of science is physical science, life science, social science. Mm.
science.
We also
Also.
have okay, physics, biology, and chemistry.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, for example, you are studying science. Just imagine that you are in your you are attending a science subject. What skills is required in the laboratory when you are in the laboratory? Hmm?
Oh my gosh. Where is it? Uh, oh,
Skills are the learned or acquired ability. It is ability to do something well with good execution. Okay, scientists should require skills like they should be careful. For example, they are experimenting something. They should be careful. That is also a skills. Analytical. They should be analytical. Yes. They should also be patient. Scientists should be patient.
scientists should be patient.
Yes, and good.
Patient.
Yes, patient. And also good at
And,
problem
and good
solving.
at science.
Yes, and good at
Good at
problem.
science.
Good at problem solving.
Good at problem solving.
Yes, because it is hard. Their job is hard. For example, um they need to make medicine. So it should be perfect. All the formulations of this medicine should be perfect. So it wouldn't harm any human or animals. For example, soap, Miranda, or how about the, 'cause, 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 ' Where are you?
Oh my. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay now.
Okay, see, they are making something. They are
Making
they are experimenting something on the laboratory. Maybe they are experimenting a medicine. We're not sure. So they should be good at problem solving. They should be patient. They should also be analytical and careful. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, how about business managers or the BOD or the board of directors? Business persons. What
They
what
have
what skills should they required for this job? Because they are corporate managers. They are talking about business.
they have to know how to speak tactfully, smiling
Yes,
with our
communication.
partners,
Very good. That is communication.
and
Teamwork also. Very good.
yeah,
And what
they
else?
also have to be oh my gosh,
Okay, what is it?
đồng cảm,
To be
đồng cảm, empathetic,
okay. What else?
empathetic.
Empath. Okay. What else? Because they are managers, so
And
what are
they
skills?
they have to speak very well
Yes, they should have
and very
communication
clear.
skills. Yes, they should have communication
Yeah.
skills. Very good. And leadership. They should have leadership skills because they are the one who manage the employees in a business, and they also should good at decision making. Okay.
Okay.
All right, very good, Miranda. So you have given a communication skills. It is very important. Okay, how about to be an artist? What skills do you need to be an artist?
You have to be very patient.
Yes, patience, very good.
You painting well, drawing well,
Creativity, very good. What else? That is called
and
creativity.
you have to be stuck. Oh,
Hmm? To be
have to be creative,
creative, yes, creative and
creative.
mhm. So if you're creative,
And
you should also be imaginative. Okay, what else? Okay, what else? One more.
Oh,
You can do it. What skills? What skills required to be a good artist? To be a great artist? Creativity. Okay, you said that being creative, being patient. It's actually true. Imaginative and attention to details of their work, of their artwork. They should be attentive to the details. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay, last picture. Reporter or journalist. Skills required to be a journalist and reporter. What skills? Because reporters is always speaking on the national television. You can see them in the national television. They're always reporting, like they're holding a microphone. Okay, so what skills?
They have to be confident.
Very good. They have to be confident. Okay, first of all, they have to be confident. Okay, what else?
They have to speak clearly.
Yes, also communication skills. Okay, confidence, communication skills. Well done, Miranda. Would you like to add?
They have to learn how to smile while they're speaking.
While speaking, okay, but it is depends on the situation, depends on the report that they are delivering. Okay. Okay, so being a journalist also, it is important to be curious. So they should be curious for everything. Okay, well done, Miranda. Number 2, which people from A to D, okay, do you think are more likely to have these skills when they grew up, and why? Okay, but before we proceed on answering these questions, of course, we need to read the exam task first. Okay. Quick steps to part 7. You don't have to begin by reading the whole text. You may find it helpful to read the questions first, then scan each part of the text. Before you make your mind up about an answer, read the question again and look carefully at the evidence in the text. For some questions, you may be able to choose more than one option. If so, there will be extra spaces next to these questions. Okay, so before we proceed on doing these activities, we should first read the exam task. Okay, reading and use of English. Alright, Miranda, let's start reading. How birth order
influence career choice.
Okay. Miranda, are you the eldest daughter?
What?
Are you the eldest daughter?
Eldest?
Eldest. You are the oldest daughter. How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother.
Only one brother? Okay, you have...
I have two brothers. One older than me and one younger than me.
Okay, so you... Alright. So you are the only girl in your family, in your siblings?
No. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers.
Okay, so you have 3 older sisters? Is that right?
3 younger sisters.
Oh, okay. So you are the second child. Are you the second child? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Miranda. I just asked because it is connected, it is relevant to our topic, okay, in our exam task. Okay, how birth order can influence career choice? Letter A. Okay, let's start reading.
An eldest child. Research scientists family recalls that her parents would spend more time with her than with younger brother and sister, having conversations with her as though she were an adult. They also
Adult.
took it for granted that adult. They also took it for granted that I would make it in whatever field I entered. And at
Quite.
quite an early age,
Age.
of that must have had an influence on me, she says. The eldest may be expected to look after siblings. We can have developed leadership qualities, although ultimately main professional aim has always been to be the best in her branch of science. This desire to succeed, possibly created by
Early.
early parental pressure, can turn into perfectionism,
Which
which also has its downsides. It sometimes bothers me that I have to get things absolutely right, fearing that otherwise people I think will think less of me as a person, she says. A lot of scientists, rock stars, and astronauts were eldest children.
Okay. Letter B. Okay, a middle child.
During childhood, the middle
Childhood.
childhood, the middle one may take on the role of peacemaker between quarreling siblings, and can become quite a skilled negotiator. They also, however, sometimes feel they are being ignored at home, so they build lots of relationships outside. I've always had an active social life, says Erin. In business, I somehow always manage to reach agreement with others, and that has helped my career to really take off. Erin's ultimate ambition is to run the company, although that's what she seems highly unlikely. Unlike my sister, I didn't go to university, and that really affected my confidence. I shouldn't have worried though. At 18, I had a little luck when a local firm took me on as a trainee. And since then, I've already received a few promotions, plus salary increases. Middle children often become politicians, sport people, or
Nurses.
nurses.
All right.
A youngest
Would you
child.
like to drink water first?
No.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
The baby of the family, lacking the size to avoid getting pushed around, may use intuition and charm instead. So people often take to them. I suppose I've always been good at talking people into things, and that certainly makes life easier. Said
Says
Lewis.
Lewis.
People also sometimes regard the youngest as something of the comedian.
Comedian.
Why? Comedian.
And
And in this Lewis is no exception. They tend to refer the outdoor life. The number includes famous rollers, so it is perhaps unsurprising that Lewis feels more comfortable since taking up his current role of traveling reporter than he was in a local radio station studio. They are also likely to be the lowest earning, perhaps lacking the eldest siblings, driving ambition, though that is not something which particularly concerns Lois, who firmly believes life is for living. Those born last sometime go into sales, set up small businesses for
compose music. Okay. Letter D, last one. The only child.
An only child. An only child gets lots of parental attention and lives in an entirely adult world without any siblings
Rivalry.
rivalry, but always at the junior family member. Junior family member. I'm close to my parents, said Mattel. Mattel? But I've always had friends too. They are often encouraged to study hard and develop artistic skills. Although theories about them having difficulty socializing with other children were long ago disproved. Many do seem suited to working alone. I did well at school, Mattel said, and my dad was confident that one day I'll be a senior executive. But the funny thing was I always knew I'd do something completely different. I love painting, and although it had its disadvantages, I recently had to take out a loan just to get by. I'm my own boss, and there's nothing I'd rather do. Only children tend to do well in any career, but particularly in art.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what do you think, Miranda, where you belong here? Are you a leader, like an eldest child? Are you a leader in your family, among your siblings? Or are you a good peacemaker or negotiator when your siblings are quarreling? Or maybe you behave like the youngest child? What is it?
I belong to both middle and eldest child.
Okay, leader, you have a leadership skills, and you're also a peacemaker and a good negotiator.
But I prefer to be an actress and singer more than scientist or anything else.
Okay.
I would love to be an actress or a singer, or I would be both.
I will be both. Okay. I think your personalities belong to an only child. Like you can excel to any career that you choose. And they tend to do well in any career, particularly in art. Okay. Acting is also a form of art.
Oh.
Acting is also a form of art. Like being an actress, it is an art. Being an actress or a filmmaker. Okay, Miranda. Since we have
And singer.
okay, actress and singer, it is belong to an artist. Okay. So we are now done reading our exam task. Okay, so let's now try to answer. Let's go back to the previous page and answer these exercises. Okay, would you like to drink water first before we proceed?
No.
No. Okay. Number 2, Miranda, which people, okay, from A to D, or eldest, middle, youngest, and an only child, do you think are more likely to have these skills when they grow up, and why? Okay, you will going to give just one reason. Okay, letter A, an elder child. The elder child or the eldest child. What skills do you think
An elder child.
based on the exam?
The elder child is the child which is mostly like the parents.
Most likely.
Yeah.
Okay. But how about the skills of the eldest child? Skills. So let's talk about skills.
Character.
For example, they have a strong leadership skills because they are the eldest. And they have they have what?
They have to supervise the children.
Yes, responsibility. Very good.
They need to look after them, and they have to be very strict.
Yes,
Strict
okay.
than other children.
Yes, because when the parents okay,
I think the eldest child is the like I think almost the most clever member in the family.
okay. Because when your parents is not around, the eldest child is the one who will look after their younger siblings. Okay, very good, Miranda. So they should have leadership and responsive. They should be a leader and responsible. Well done. Okay, how about letter B, Miranda? A middle child. What skills? What skills? About
The
skills.
middle child, like the eldest child. Sometimes when the eldest child is not at home, they go with the parents. The middle child will also have to supervise and have to look after the other siblings.
Okay.
But in my opinion, I think the middle child must be funnier
Funny.
than the eldest child. I think so.
Okay.
And
And
like the eldest child, middle child also have to
have to
yield yield
okay, what is it? Have to
yield to younger children.
oh, okay, yield. You mean yield or youth?
Yield.
Yield? I-E-L-D. Okay,
Yeah.
yield. Alright, very
Yield.
good. So middle child, okay, based on the exam task, also middle child are good communication. They have good communication and negotiation skills. They are the peacemaker in the family. Alright, very good. So they also often solve problems between their siblings. Okay.
Yeah.
Your answer is accurate. Very good, Miranda. Okay, letter C, youngest.
The youngest is the most
What? The most what? What skills?
naughty.
Naughty? Okay, how about
Yeah.
skills? How about
Uh,
skills?
But the youngest skill is they have to no. The youngest is the most
Is the most
happiest.
the happiest?
child.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are the most sociable. Okay, and what else? They are also
And
confident. They are also very confident. Okay.
they are arrogant.
Arrogant. They are confident. Okay. Okay, do you see it in your youngest brother?
My youngest brother is very naughty. He shouts all the day. He talks all the day. But the reason why I love him is because he's cute and
Yes.
he's clean too. He
The
helped
cutest.
me. Yeah. He helped me to throw the trash throw the rubbish in like the trash box.
Very good.
And I think they is clever too.
Yes, they are the clever and they tend to be also creative. The youngest child. Creative and confident. Okay, letter D, Miranda. Only child.
An only child.
What skills?
Belong to parents mostly. Their skill is to playing alone when the parents went outside.
Okay.
I think the only child is very alone, very sad.
But no. Okay, how about the positive?
Some only child say that they want to
Because
have brother and
yes,
sister because they
okay.
feel alone.
Yes, they feel alone. So they tend to be independent and self-disciplined.
Yeah.
Yes, because for example, when their parents are not around, they don't have an elder siblings who can look after them. So they tend to be independent, self-disciplined. Okay, because they spend more time doing things on their own.
Yeah.
Okay. And also, yeah, that is correct. The only child also tend to wish they have at least one sibling. Very good. Okay, well done, Miranda. Okay, exercise 3. Check the meaning of the phrases sibling rivalry. Okay, sibling rivalry. And give some examples of this behavior. Okay. Have you experienced this, Miranda? Siblings rivalry? Hmm? What do you think is this? What is your opinion about this? Sibling rivalry.
Sibling rivalry.
Yes, sibling rivalry.
Sibling rivalry.
What is your opinion about it?
Rivalry. Um, on some families, siblings don't often, hardly, never have to shout to each other. But
Mhm.
the presence of the family is very small because most of the family will have two or three, more than two or three. They often
Often.
like like about
What is the meaning?
quarrel.
Okay, but how about
Qua-
the
is
meaning of the of sibling rivalry? What is your opinion about it?
is the sibling is argue with
Okay, maybe they are
argue
competing.
argue with. Yes.
Maybe they are competing to each other. For example, you have, for example, the eldest one is just 1 year older than 1 year older to the middle child, and they tend to compete. For example, on the school, maybe they are trying to compete with their grades, right? Who get the highest grade, who get the most achievements at school. So they are competing to each other. And also, you're also correct. They tend to have arguments,
Every day.
arguments between brothers and sisters. Okay, so that is sibling rivalry. Okay, competing to each other, arguments between siblings, and sometimes it's also drive with jealousy.
Yeah.
Yes, sometimes it's drive with jealousy. For example, the other siblings, they notice that their parents are giving more attention to their other siblings compare to them, compared to him or her. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay, so that is the sibling rivalry. Okay, so now let's move on to our exercise to part 7. Exercise to read the exam task instruction and the title of the text. Okay, so we are done reading the exam task and look at its layout. Answer these questions. Okay, Miranda. Number 1. What is the topic of the text and how many parts are there?
There are
Mhm.
the topic of the test is about the siblings, and there are four parts. A, B,
Okay.
C, and D.
Okay, what is the topic of the text? Very good. Oh, oops, before that, okay, can you give example first of this sibling rivalry? Like you said, it can be competition between the siblings, arguments between brothers and sisters. So what are the example? For example, okay, I have given you the example earlier. Can you add more
For,
examples?
for example, the
Mm-hmm.
parents should buy for them one color box. Color box.
And
Paint box. And both of them want to use it. In some
okay.
families, the sibling must share to each other. But
Mm-hmm.
also, in some families, they can argue with each other and shout, be angry with each other too.
Okay. For example, if if they're still kid, they tend to fight over toys, right? Over toys. Like for
Yeah.
example, they both want to play with the same toys, so they are fighting over toys. They can also fight over the grades. They can also compete with with their parents' attention. Okay, and who are the people, Miranda? Number two, who are the people in the exam task? It's four. Who are the people?
Is eldest child, middle
Mm-hmm.
child,
Okay.
youngest child, and only child.
Yes, and only child. Very good. Oops, wait.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, go ahead.
Hi.
Okay, welcome back. Okay, Miranda. Number three, okay. Third question, what kind of information do you need to find? In the exam
Oh,
test. It's about
it's about
how
how each
can
other can influence career choices.
Yes, so it is the information that we need to find out. How birth orders can influence career choices. Okay, very good. Number 3, for each of question 1 to 10, underline or note down the keywords as in the example. Okay, wait, where is it? 1 to 10. Let me see. Let me check. Where is it? Do the exam task as you read. Look for the words, phrases, and sentences that express the same ideas as the keywords in the questions. Underline the words, phrases, or sentences that tell you the right answers. Okay, so let's proceed to the exam task. Okay, you are going to read an article about possible effects of birth order on 4 people's career for questions 1 to 10. So this is the questions 1 to 10. Okay. Choose from the sections 8D, okay, which is the eldest, middle, youngest, and an only child. The sections may be chosen more than once. Okay, it can be both. For example, middle and youngest, or middle or oldest and middle. Okay.
Okay.
In which section does the writer mention someone who? Okay, for example, the question is glad to have changed job. What do you think? Is it the eldest, the middle child, the youngest, or the only child glad to have changed job? Okay, Miranda. Number 1 is glad to have changed job or career. Is it the eldest, middle? Okay, you will going to choose A, B, C, or D. A is the eldest, B is the middle, C is the youngest, D is the only child.
B.
Is it B? Middle
Yes.
child? They
Yeah.
they are glad to have to have changed their job. Based on the exam, based on the article that you've read, is the middle child, are they glad to change their career path? Hmm? What is it? The answer is letter, because
C.
they said, is it letter C? Sometimes into sales. They said that the born last sometimes go into sales, set up small businesses, or compose music. Okay, it can be letter C. Okay, I'll give you that. What else? What else? There is a best answer for this. But letter C is also correct if you think it is. Okay, what else? Is it A, B, or D? Is it A, B, or D? It says the eldest. A lot of scientists, rock stars, and astronauts were eldest children. Middle children often becomes politicians, sports people, or nurses. The youngest sometimes go into sales, set up a small business, or compose music. Letter D, okay, they tend to do well in any career, but particularly in art. From the word any career. So the best answer for this is letter
D.
D. Yes, it's glad to have change. Okay, change job. From the word change, it can be any. So there is no specific. It can be any. Any. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay. How about number 2?
Sample.
Complaints about not earning enough money. They complains about not earning enough money.
A, B, C, D, I, N. So I.
What is your what is your letter? What is your answer?
C.
Letter?
Change.
C. Very good. Okay, it is the youngest. It says that okay, wait. Okay, they said that they are also likely to be the lowest earning and siblings. Okay, from the word lowest earning. So, complaints about not earning enough money. Okay, Miranda. Since we don't have much time, okay, Miranda, we will continue our discussion for this activity tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow, Miranda. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.